Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again, Faisal Nugroho. So, welcome back with another robotics tutorial. So, in this video, we are going to make microbit objects avoidance, and here are the kits that we need. So, the most important kits that we need is these microbit chips. These microbit chips is for running our robots, and then the secondly we need the robot that have the like food, then an ultrasonic sensor in here. And in this video, as usually, I use TinyBit from Avoidance. So there is a little different if you use another robot from another vendor. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go to the code tutorial. Okay, this is the code section. So the first thing you have to make the code is, as usual, go to the your makecodes.microbit.org platforms, and then new projects, and give your project name as object avoidance. Okay, and then click the create. After that, as usual, there is two default blocks that will appear on your starts, that is on start and forever. So the first thing you have to do is you have to add new extensions, and as usual, because I use TinyBit robots from Yahoo, so I'll use extension from TinyBits. And if you want the keyword of the extension, I'll give it in the description of the video. Then enters, and there is the extensions, so just click it. Through that, there is new sections. As usual, there is TinyBits and NeoPixels. And now the first, in the on start, go to the basic, and then take the show icon and change it to smile icon. And after that, go to the TinyBit and take the RGB color big value and change from off to green. Okay, next to the second block, there is forever. The first, we have to make a new variables. So make a new variable name distance. Okay, then click OK, and it will make a new variable in here. And then in variables, take the set distance to 0, and then go to the TinyBits extensions and take the ultrasonic return distance centimeters. Okay, so the distance variable will always depends on the ultrasonic return distance. Okay, that's the first algorithms. And then next to the second ones, take the if then true else if true then else, and then logics again. In the comparisons, take the less than and replace the true with the less than. Okay, after that, go to the variables again, take distance and put it to replace the first column of the if thens, and then replace the 0 to 15th then. Okay, after that, go to the TinyBits again and then take the car control speed run and put it in the if then counts, and change the run to back and speed to 100. Okay, 100, and then go to the basic and take the pause for milliseconds pause milliseconds and change it to 100 milliseconds, and then duplicate the car control speeds and change it to spin right speed with 100 speeds, and duplicate the pause. Okay, put it below the spin rack, and after that in the else, go to the TinyBits and take the car control speed run, change it to back. Back. I mean run, and speeds 100. Okay, after that, exactly only with this code, your robots can move properly. But I will add some additional codes to duplicate these blocks, and then remove the set instance and remove all of these codes. Okay, after that, so that go to the basics, show icons, duplicate again, show icons. Okay, and then change it to set icons and small icons. Okay, after that, go to the TinyBit again, and then RGB car big value. Where is it? RGB car big value. Change it to red, and the second one, change it to green. Okay, and then the last is, where is it? Go to the TinyBit music car, music car, then change to the neon, and then the last is go to the music. I forget where is it. Wait. Ringtone. Okay, this ringtone. Yeah. Wait. Where is it? And change it to E. Okay. After that, our code is done. So as usual, you can transfer this entire code to your Microbit chips. And if you want to see the tutorial how to transfer your code from MidCode to your Microbit chips, you can see my video before, because there is the tutorial. So let's go to the demo video. Okay everyone, after the code sections, let's go to the demo sections to see how our robot works or not. So in here you can use another place or not. You can use dark place or light place. It's not like line follow robots. This robot will just detect some object with this ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so let's start it with turn this spark to on. Okay, it gets started. Okay, see. Okay, it's working, guys. See, this robot is working. See, wait. Okay, the robot is working, guys. So this robot will detect the objects in front of this ultrasonic sensor, and after that this robot will change its directions to another directions, so it can avoid the obstacle in front. And maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this robotics tutorial, and for the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.